On the morning of May Day, as sunlight bathed the streets of San Francisco, Henry and his friends entered the Science Museum with excited anticipation. Upon stepping inside, their eyes were immediately drawn to a colossal mechanical dinosaur model towering over 2 stories high. The dinosaur swayed its head and tail, emitting realistic roars, instantly igniting the children's eagerness to explore in the future lab. The children gathered around the 3D printers, intently studying the operation procedures. Henry carefully designed a miniature spaceship on his tablet. As the printer hummed to life, layers of white plastic filaments stacked up, and soon, a delicate spaceship model took shape. He proudly showed off his creation to his friends. Afterward, they eagerly climbed into the virtual space capsules. When the simulated rocket launched and the Earth shrank in the porthole as the vast expanse of the universe came into view, the children shrieked with excitement, feeling as if they had truly embarked on an interstellar journey. The most memorable part was the robot programming challenge. Divided into teams, the children focused intently on writing programs. After repeated adjustments, they made the robots complete tasks successfully. Watching robots reach the finish line, everyone cheered and high-fived. Laughter echoed in the Science Museum. These innovative exhibits